What's up friends, and welcome to this video. Today friends, I will show you exactly how you can transfer your TikTok shop balance to GCash. First thing, go to TikTok, and on the TikTok go to profile. On the down and the top right corner you see this three line, guys. Click on this three line, go to balance, and from balance, guys, you can see here estimated balance. Click on estimated balance. After that, guys, just wait, click on live reward. If you have any rewards or money you want to transfer, click estimated balance, and then you should, guys, click on amount you want to withdraw, and this currently have for the let's go click on this one and write your amount, guys, you want to click withdraw, and just click withdraw, and you will choose GCash as a payment to transfer. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.